Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Beta, today we are going to do sample test paper of social science. You know about the syllabus of the second term, and I think you all are familiar with the blueprint also. It has been sent in your classroom. So, in your paper, there will be three sections, and today we are going to solve the first section. In first section there will be 21 mark questions, and the first question is: the ideas of William Jones were supported by, and the options are James Mill, Thomas Macaulay, Charles Wood, Henry Thomas, Colebrook. So the correct answer is D option, Henry Thomas Colebrook. The second question is: a madrasa was set up in Calcutta in 1781 to promote the study of, and the options are Urdu, Arabic, ancient history of India, Muslim religion. And the correct answer is option B, that is Arabic. A madrasa was set up in Calcutta in 1781 to promote the study of Arabic. The next question: the Brahmo Samaj was founded by. Now see the options: Dayanand Saraswati, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Vivekanand, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. And beta, Brahmo Samaj was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now see the next question. The practice of sati was banned in the year. See the options: 1800, 1821, 1827, and 1829. You know that this practice of sati was banned in the year 1829 with the efforts of Raja Ram Mohan Roy and many other social reformers. The next question. Now, horticulture means. Now, this is from chapter 4, your geography. Horticulture means growing of fruits and vegetables, primitive farming, growing of wheat. And you know its answer? Growing of fruits and vegetables. Next question. Golden fiber refers to, see the options: tea, cotton, jute. Hanji, this correct answer is jute. Next question. Leading producer of coffee: Brazil, India, Russia. This is also from your chapter 4 of geography. The correct answer is Brazil. Option A, Brazil. See the next question. Silicon Valley is located in Bangalore, California, Ahmedabad. And the correct answer is California. Here see beta, if it is asked Silicon Valley of India, then it's Bengaluru. And simply if it is simply Silicon Valley, then it's California. Which one of the following industries is known as the sunrise industry? Now options: iron and steel industry, cotton textile, information technology. And the answer is option C, information technology. See the next question. Which does the term population distribution refers to? See from the question it is clear, population distribution. So see the options: how population in a specified area changes over time, the number of people who die in relation to the number of people born in a specified area, and the way in which people are spread across a given area. See, population distribution means how the population is distributed. So we will go with the C option, the way in which people are spread across a given area. See the next question. In 1999, the world population reached, see the options: 1 billion, 3 billion, 6 billion. And the correct answer is 6 billion. And next question, which are three main factors that cause population change? Three factors that cause population change. C. Births, deaths, and migration. Bir- births, deaths, and life expectancy. And the third option, births and deaths. Now, see, the correct answer is births, deaths, and migration. These are the three factors which affect the population of an area, the distribution of population over an area. Next question. A widow home was established at Pune by, see the options, Tarabai Shinde, Pandita Ramabai, Mumtaz Ali, Ruqayya Shekhawat Hussain. And beta, the correct answer is Pandita Ramabai. See the next question. What literally means the original inhabitants? In chapter 7 of civics, we have read about marginalization, and in that chapter, we have read about Adivasis or tribal people. And the original inhabitants, see the options, Adivasis, minorities, ghetto, devoid. And the correct answer, A option, Adivasis. Adivasis means original inhabitants. Next question, where do Adivasis live? Now see the options, in or near forest, kacha house, colonies, none of these. And you have read in the chapter that Adivasis live in or near forests. And the correct answer, option A. Now see the next question. Which is the article of constitution that states that untouchability has been banned or abolished? See the option, Article 16, Article 18, Article 28, Article 17. And we have read in the chapter, it is Article 17. According to Article 17, the practice of untouchability has been abolished. So the correct answer is option D, that is Article 17. Next question, 17 question C. What term means to exclude or banish an individual or a group? So we have read about this in the same chapter, that is marginalization. And see the options, Dalit, SC, ostracize, or none of these. See, to exclude or banish an individual or a group, and the term is ostracize, and this is given in the keywords of the chapter. So C option, ostracize. Question number 18. Which of the following is a water related disease? Plague. You know, the plague, it is spread through rats, etc. The C, eye flu. Third, cholera. And the last option, that is all of these. And the correct answer, C option, that is cholera. Now, question number 19. How can we prevent water related diseases? So, you know about it. See the options, by using pond water, by using clean and safe water, by using boring water. And it is clear, by using clean and safe water. That is B option. Now, the last question of the section, that is, what are public facilities? Chapter 9 of civics. So tell me, A option, essential facilities, non-essential facilities, both A and B, or none of these. About public facilities, we have read that these are essential facilities provided by the government to the citizens. So the option A, that is essential facilities. And beta, you are to solve this section A of MTP or our sample paper in your geography notebook. And if you have any question, you can send your question in the classroom. Is it clear? And I'm sending the PDF along with this video. Thank you, beta.